Welcome to Troegs Independent Brewery, a craft beer haven nestled in the heart of Hershey, Pennsylvania. Founded by brothers Chris and John Troegner in 1996, Troegs has grown from a small operation in Harrisburg to one of the most respected breweries in the country. The story of Troegs began over 2 decades ago when the Troegner brothers decided to turn their love of home brewing into a full-fledged business. With a passion for creativity and quality, the Troegner brothers have built a brewery that's as innovative as it is beloved. Today, visitors to Troegs can get an up-close look at the brewing process with guided tours of the brewery. They can learn about the intricate steps involved in creating their signature beers, from mashing and fermentation to packaging and distribution. You can see firsthand how the team at Troegs combines traditional methods with modern technologies to produce their renowned beers, including local favorites like Perpetual IPA, Nugget Nectar, and Mad Elf. Beyond the brewing floor, Troegs is home to the Art of Troegs Gallery. This unique space showcases the work of local artists and the creative spirit that permeates the brewery. From beer label designs to large-scale murals, the art room is a testament to the brewery's commitment to supporting and celebrating the arts. With a focus on using only the finest ingredients and time-honored brewing techniques, Troegs quickly made a name for itself in the craft beer community. People from all around the Mid-Atlantic know the quality they will get when they buy Troegs. No visit to Troegs will be complete without stopping by their acclaimed restaurant and tap room. Here you can savor a delicious menu crafted to complement their wide selection of beers. From gourmet sandwiches and hearty entrees to freshly baked pretzels, there's something to satisfy every palate. Be sure to stop by the tasting room and try a pint of your favorite Troegs beer. Some of my favorites include the Sunshine Pilsner, Troegenator Double Bock, and the Grand Cacao. Or you could try a flight to sample a variety of their innovative brews. Some of these beers are exclusive to the tap room only and cannot be found in liquor stores around your area. Troegs crafts a variety of limited-time brews perfect for every season. In the spring, be sure to enjoy a luscious Nugget Nectar. Summer brings the crisp and zesty Field Study. Fall is celebrated with the rich and hoppy Master of Pumpkins. And winter warms up with the legendary Mad Elf, brewed with honey and cherries. There's always a great season for a Troegs. Before you leave, be sure to explore the Troegs gift shop. Filled with branded merchandise, exclusive beer releases, and unique gifts, it's the perfect place to pick up a memento of your visit or a special treat for the beer lover in your life. During your visit to the general store, be sure to speak to one of the employees about all the taproom exclusive merchandise that they have at the time. You can typically find many of the scratch beers that can only be found in the general store or at the tap room, as well as merchandise that you can only get at Troegs. Several times throughout the week, you'll often be able to taste several Troegs samples in the general store, and they also offer growler and crowler fills to go. I would highly recommend checking out some of the very small batch bourbon, barrel aged, and experimental scratch beers that they have at the general store. These are great to take home and enjoy after your visit to Troegs. Troegs Independent Brewery is conveniently located at 200 East Hershey Park Drive, just minutes from Hershey Park and other local attractions. Open year-round, it's a must-visit destination for beer enthusiasts and families alike. For hours of operation, tour schedules, and more information, be sure to visit their website at www.troegs.com. Cheers and aloha, BMore Brew Crew.